Okay, we are going to start with an exercise. I thought of one थोड़ा genders के लिए ना articles के लिए. So I started with something easy. Let us look at it and then we'll continue with our lesson. Okay. This is just a little bit of memory game type, just to help you remember the articles of some words. Okay. Now, when you look, which word, it's very common to us when we think of das. Which is that object that we have been listening about through
Auto.
ads? Auto, na? Das auto, correct. Okay, so I've taken that and along with that I've added it. I've combined it with another words. Okay, das auto. But Zain, we are here. What do we see here?
Kind.
Kind. So always imagine this picture. Okay? Das Auto and then das Kind. Okay, so you're associating two words together. Auto and Kind. And both of them, they have the same gender. Alright, this is just a trick for you to memorize these words. Then what do we see here? Das Auto und?
House.
Yes. So it will be das Auto und das Haus. Okay, previously we had das Auto und das Kind. Here we have das Auto und das Haus. Then we have das Auto und
Das Book.
das Buch. Excellent. Okay, now associate that some people also read on the way. Now they travel and they read. So book will be also read in a car. Then what is this? Das Auto und?
That's handy.
Correct.
Handy.
Correct. Das Auto und das Handy. And on the handy, we have the picture of auto. Okay, then we have das Auto und it's in what?
Wasser.
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 Correct. So
Yes.
das Auto und das Wasser. Then we have, for auto, we require what?
Geld.
Geld. So the gender of Geld is also das. Das Auto und das Geld. Okay. Okay. Anybody knows? Okay, let's see that this person. Where do you think he's going? In English?
Krankenhaus.
Correct. So he's going to the hospital, and hospital also have the same gender. So you sit in a car and then you go to Krankenhaus. Okay. Anyway, house का gender तो दासी है. तो Kranken के साथ if you add house at the end, it will be anyway das Krankenhaus. Okay. Then what is this?
Das Kino.
Correct. So we have das Auto und das Kino. Kino is actually supposed to be cinema hall, enclosed space, but I could not associate na. The car दिखा नहीं पा रही थी, so I took this photo. Das Auto und das Kino. What about this one? Das Auto und das?
Musik.
Music.
Nein.
Musik.
Radio.
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 Correct. Radio. Das Auto und das Radio. Okay, so which words do we know with das? Das Auto, das
Kind.
Kind,
Kind.
House.
Das
Das
Haus.
Book.
House.
Kino,
Das
Kino,
Buch.
Das
mhm.
Krankenhaus.
Krankenhaus,
Krankenhaus.
Das Geld.
das
Wasser.
Geld, Das Wasser, toll. Und
Das
No.
Radio.
Gilt.
Radio,
Das gilt.
gilt. Perfect. Okay. Do you think this will help you a little bit
Yeah.
to remember?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I was just doing something yesterday and thought of this idea. So that's auto because everybody, all of us have heard this from that ad na Volkswagen ki.
Hmm.
Okay, so the next time you come across any word with das, see if you can match it with a car. Just to remember. Do you know any other words with das? Nine.
Das cafe.
That's cafe, yes. So you sit in a car and you go to cafe. That's museum. You sit in a car and you go to museum. Museum.
Schwimmbad would be
That's Schwimmbad.
das. Oh.
So you sit in a car and then you go to a swimming pool. Correct.
Hmm.
Just for association and just to help us remember. Some words ke liye you cannot associate. But try to simplify, na? Let's say capital Eins we have completed, na? Did we complete capital Zwei?
No.
No, not yet. Okay. Let us see if we have any words. Das. Abhi das vote, matlab the word, shabd. How will you associate it with car?
Which one?
Ye, that's what. Can you see the screen? No,
No.
you cannot. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. This, that's vote. Matlab word.
das word.
Hmm. Shabd.
Hmm. How can you associate it with auto, you're saying?
Auto, हाँ, just for remember. तो ऐसे वाले थोड़े से difficult है ना कि
Hmm.
just to remember. But kind you can definitely show.
Yeah.
You can also ask ChatGPT to create a picture for you. Something. Why not? मतलब ठीक है,
Yeah.
let us see अगर इसमें कुछ है क्या. That's book we have checked. That's hobby. You can maybe say something like auto is my hobby, car is my hobby. So that's das.
Das taxi.
This taxi. Hmm. So taxi is a auto, like it's a type of car. It's a vehicle.
Hmm.
Or you can
Das restaurant.
hmm,
Yeah, photo.
that's photo. That's auto and the photo of the auto. Okay, anything else do we have? Das Wochenende.
Das
So you
Wochenende.
you sit in a car and then you travel over the weekend. So you have to go somewhere over the weekend. So that will be das Auto und das Wochenende. Soon there are going to be so many words that you have to remember. But this is just some tricks to remember. Okay, so the next time you come across any word that has das gender, just try this once. See if it helps.